Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. Beautiful day in May, and we're doing some cleaning up in the Heidelberg area. It's going to be a 2-day job. Day 1, we'll be doing all of the carpet cleaning, and then day 2, we'll do all of this tile and grout restoration. We'll start upstairs. There's some of the stair tools we'll be using, and this will be a polyester. It's fairly new, no major stains to worry about, but it's good to get it all freshened up while we're here. 5 rooms upstairs, 5 areas. And we're just going to use the Devastator wand and just wand this one out up here. Get quite a bit of soiling out with that Devastator wand. It works amazing. Take you downstairs now. This one's a little tougher. This is 25-year-old carpet, never been cleaned. And it is a level 3 salvage. We've got wall-to-wall urine treatment, and there were just urine spots everywhere, as you can see a few here. So this one's gonna need a little bit more TLC. I'm gonna start out with the Rotovac 360i and give it a really good scrub. After we use that for a while, I realized we might have to switch to the Rotovac Bonzer, as the Bonzer is gonna give it a way better flush. Keep in mind, most of that urine is very deep in the underpad of the carpet. So we switched this out, and as you can see in the sight tube, it's getting a ton of flush action, getting all that urine out. After 25 years, never been cleaned, they were extremely happy with the amount of soiling we got out. So this is what we did on day 1. Did about 10 areas of polyester carpet, and then on day 2, we're going to start on the tile and grout restoration. Starting in the back area, working our way towards the door. I'm just going to hand scrub it because it's a lot of smaller areas instead of bringing in the turbo hybrid to power wash it. But as you can see, very soiled, grout's never been sealed, a lot of different colors in the tile as well. Just going to basically take you upstairs and walk backwards and take you through everything that we've completed now that the job's done here. This is day 2. This is the completion of the upstairs. I'll quickly walk you through the downstairs. Everything's been completely dried up. We left our fans there overnight. And this is the tile and grout restoration we did in the ensuite, kitchen, dining room, bathroom, laundry room, hallway, front entranceway. Turned out really amazing. Client loved it. So if you're looking for any tile and grout cleaning, give us a call at 519-208-8533 or visit us on our website at carmichaelcleaning.ca. Thank you.